So officially today I'm going to start the solar system prep work, which should have been going on for months, but there are a few things that still need to be done before I start to hook everything up this week. My cousin Jeff's going to come over tonight and help me out with this here. That's the space where the generator was and where the batteries are going to go. So as usual, I'm a little frazzled here in the RV. We got about a month to go from now until I'll be hitting the road, so lots of things to do. In the next video, I promise it's coming soon, we're going to be installing solar, but this video is going to be about the prep work and all of the stuff I have to do to get it ready, which is way more than I expected, but that's how it goes, I guess. Wonderful.
There, that's like $1 in scrap.
So up here on the roof of the RV, we finally have some sunshine to patch this here roof. So I did some sealant, put in some Flex Seal here, and we are going to use some denatured alcohol here to clean the area, to apply some sealant tape I bought. So that's the plan for right now. The first strip of sealant tape has been applied. Not perfectly well, but it is locked on either end, so that is good. So I'm using this roller tool to help me really flatten her down, make sure it's adhering, and as you can see, it's instantly locked down there, so that's awesome. And we're putting it just, let's see, it's really sunny, so it's hard to tell. Yeah, so it's just going onto the side a bit. You see, this is what it looks like here. Not too good. So yeah, I think it's going to look a lot better than before. I don't know if I'll have I'm sure I have some before pictures to share, so I'm going to keep on going with this, and it's going to take quite a while, so I don't think I'm going to even film or do a time lapse or anything like that.
I will be right by your side if I can find a cure. I'll fix you with my love, no matter what, you know I'll fix you with my love. And if you say you're okay, I'm gonna kill you anyway. Promise I'll always be there. Promise I'll be happier.
Well, it is basically completed here. I'm just going to add some Flex Seal to some exposed parts like that, and we will be all set with this repatching on the back part of the roof here. So taking these cabinets off to prepare for some painting sometime next week. I have a lot of projects going on, but I figured I would start to paint some stuff. I got some wood stain and I got some white paint for the walls and ceiling and whatnot. Cabinets are also going to be white. Starting the painting process finally. I am using this wood stain. It's a classic espresso dark brown. Home Depot special. Okay, so as you can see, there had been some leaking here in the past, and this wallpaper area was kind of warped. So what we have now is this. This is duct tape. Yes, I know, the best solution, right? I didn't want an expensive fix. Super glue wasn't holding this wood piece to the wall, so this is the option. I thought, hey, you know, that won't be the worst thing. And from back here, it's like, yeah, whatever. I mean, still better than it looked before. Painting my first set of cabinets here. It's not been going spectacularly thus far, but not bad either. These are really tight spaces, so it's not always easy. By the way, I'm using a really low odor paint, so it's pretty good stuff. There's no nothing super strong at all. I really barely smell it. So I'm painting as much of the cabinetry as possible inside. I want it to look nice all over pretty much, so I'm not going to paint this the inside that you won't be able to see, but I'm going to paint most of the ceiling, pretty much all of the ceiling, all the back, all the base, and the sides as well. You're looking at one of the sides there. Okay. Tricky corner here, especially considering there's basically all wet paint all over everywhere else. Okay, we're gonna grab the brush now. Alright, so we're going to go back one more time when that dries to, as you see, it's not real great over there. And otherwise though, if we spin this way here on my makeshift tripod, you see pretty nice. So I have to repaint that spot there, but it's looking okay. So far so good. Painting and the wood staining is going pretty well so far. Yeah, so this is what I decided on for the paint. It is obviously white. For the cabinets, I decided to leave this fake gold trim that was on the original. Let's go take a look at the original here. That's what it looked like before, just minutes ago. Did not have Popeyes today, unfortunately. So this is what it looked like there. And as you see, oh hey, painted cabinets as well. There's the new, there's the old. I'm sure I already mentioned this already, but it's just a lot of different little projects I have going on right now, and in a tight space, a tight, messy space. Yeah, look at that. That's where my dining table is, under there somewhere. And also in the back there, it's a very tight space as well at the moment. Alright everybody, that is all I have for this week's video. Next week I'm going to give another smaller update and see where things are, and then finally we're going to have the solar stuff installed. That'll probably end up being a series. That is something I'm really looking forward to. Obviously getting this project kinda done, and then once I hit the road I'll probably end up doing another video explaining what I have left to do before the end of the year. That's my goal. Until next time, I will see you guys on the road and on the run. Take care.